being discharged today. Are you Ms. Seiler?
Yes, I can.
Your name?
Alexis Virtual.
Did you talk to Mr. Crawford yet?
Yes.
Oh, silent.
He was supposed to.
Oh, man.
All right, let's take these. All right, so I had Alexis, Rachel, Lean, and Seiler, 260-8406, 18A and R. Okay, your name again?
Alexis Virtual silent.
Like their fault, Ms. Seiler.
She pled the public nuisance on April 29 to 26, which was a civil infraction plea, reduced from the resist and obstruct, and then the operating with the impaired due to the consumption of drugs. She pled to that day. I ordered the screening and assessment. We adjourned it a week. So she was an inpatient?
Correct. Say
Right
goodbye.
away, you can tell this isn't a routine sentencing hearing. The judge delayed the case so she could get inpatient treatment first, which is actually a huge sign that the court is focusing on rehabilitation instead of just punishment. But the big question is she ready to accept that help?
Correct. Sacred Heart and clarity.
Oh, and Beth, see if she's got proof of that, will you, please?
Yes.
Is that the
Just wait one.
probation officer lady?
Yes.
Yes, I talked to her.
Oh, boy. Let's go here.
And Judge, I'm pretty sure that Miss Wilds does have the proof because she did communicate with me about Miss Seiler also.
Do you know where Ms. Wilds is right now?
That I do not. Let me peek over and see if by chance she might be in Judge Hessen's, but no, I do not see her in there either.
Judge needs that you're on silent. She's not answering. Thanks.
Did you have a chance to review this report with her?
I had the opportunity to report, Your Honor.
Are there any material? Good.
There are no requests for material revisions or deletions, Your Honor. My client believes that she can comply with these recommendations, Your Honor. Her only issue might have to do with those that require money, Your Honor, because she's away getting this treatment.
You don't look that good. Is something wrong?
Huh?
Is something wrong?
I can't sit still. I detoxed off of Suboxone, and I just got back on it. I went through really bad withdrawals without it, and I can't sit still yet.
So again, her finances are a little messed up. You know, she has a job, but they have it on bill for her now. So if the court would try to take it easy on finance and cost you to appreciate it, she's gonna need a payment arrangement. But she's prepared to comply with everything else, Your Honor. She realized she needs some help. She's working on doing some stuff. She wants to improve it.
Are you going to anybody now? Any treatment?
As soon as I have an appointment to get back on my health insurance, and my doctor were talking about taking me back off the Suboxone and giving me the Vivitrol shot. I
Okay.
don't know if you know what that is.
I know what Vivitrol is.
He's gonna give me that.
This is like I'm not trying to make you feel bad, but this is bad stuff. I'm reading this report, and while I appreciate your honesty, you got a problem here.
I do.
You live in Taylor.
I do. I actually just talked to my kid's father the other night.
Ms. Wild's your name?
Elizabeth Bosch-Fisher.
I know we're along the process here. She went to Sacred Heart.
Yes, yes.
What
I
did
got the
they?
verification of her admittance. I spoke with Miss Seiler on the phone. My understanding she was actually going to be on Zoom
This is
today.
one of those brutally honest courtroom moments. The judge isn't trying to shame her. He's trying to get through to her. When a judge says, "You've got a problem here," that's often the turning point where someone either changes their life or keeps spiraling.
She's actually going to be on Zoom today because she was getting discharged later today.
Getting discharged? You mean, okay, I got
I
it.
got her home yesterday.
What about her in sobriety, Corey?
I think she would be a great candidate for sobriety court, but she has expressed on many occasions, she has zero interest in.
Why don't you want to go into sobriety court?
If it is to do with payments, I don't mind doing it. I barely make it by as it is with my child support getting taken away. I barely make it by. I have to pay my dad. Like, I don't make it with a little bit of money I am making. I was doing 3 jobs and it was killing me. I can't do 3 jobs anymore. That's why I relapsed in the first place.
She participated in 23rd District Court Sobriety Court Program prior. I don't know if she was successful or not. I think that that's what plays a role in her decision. And it wasn't just sobriety court. She had expressed no interest in even probation. And again, this would be prior to her going inpatient.
But it's not financial legitimate, no, it's not.
Yeah, I know, but you can't have it both ways. I mean,
I completely.
ma'am, just please listen to me a second. You can't just say, I can't do that, and I don't want probation, and go light on the fines. And you dug a deep hole, man.
I know I did.
I mean, you got all kinds of drugs on here. I was almost blushing when I was reading these. So how are we going to wean you off it if you can't afford the test, and you don't want probation, and you don't want sobriety court? How in the world are
Sobriety court.
it's the same thing as what you did in Taylor, it sounds like. It's a drug.
Honestly,
I was almost blushing when I was reading these. That's a judge's way of saying the report was packed with red flags. But notice something important. He's not giving up on her. He's asking the most important question in recovery. How do we help you succeed?
It sounds like it's a
I
drug.
completed with flying colors there. I had not one bad drop there. I did excellent there.
Well, good, then do ours.
I will, but I can't afford to pay 25 for a blow and 25 for a drop. I don't mind dropping. I don't mind blowing. I just can't pay that high. I owe so much money on a car payment. I pay child support. I have to pay $250 to live with my dad.
Okay, so you give me an option then that you can live with, because we can help you. I can give you time to pay on this, but we're going to put you through a bond phase. We're going to put you through a bond phase. And in that time period, you're on your own. Once you get through the bond phase, if you get through the bond phase, we have grants that can help with testing, that can help with deductibles
Now
on.
the conversation shifts from punishment to solutions. Drug courts and sobriety courts aren't easy programs. They require testing, accountability, and a lot of work. But for many people, they can literally be life-saving. Would you take a strict program if it meant getting your life back?
With deductibles on treatment that can help with sober link devices. We can use grant money to help you.
Okay.
The problem is we can't help you until you're in the program, and we're not taking you into the program until we see how you're going to do and if you're taking it seriously. So I can do this. I can adjourn this for a month and I can put you on the bond phase right now, but do know, what are they paying the bond phase again?
It is different than Taylor. Taylor, they pay for testing. Our testing is 15.
Right.
Drug of choice, I would probably recommend for Miss Seiler that she actually tests 3 times a week as opposed to 2 with a sober.
It's going to cost you $45 a week to test. I get that that's a lot of money. But we can't have you in a sobriety court or drug court if you're not testing and we can't verify that you're remaining clean. Now, I would have to tell you, based on what I've read here, I'm not trying to make you feel bad. This doesn't make you a bad person. But your life depends on this.
To be honest with you, going to rehab, I'm scared of being home because I never know what I'm going to talk off.
All right. We can help you. You can't use that language in here, but we can help you.
That
Let's
might
get
be the
around.
most powerful line in this entire hearing. Your life depends on this. This is no longer about fines, court dates, or legal paperwork. This is about survival. You can hear the concern in the judge's voice because he knows addiction cases don't always get second chances.
Can help you. Let's get around a bond phase. Let's try to move this one through quickly. We're going to get you on a bond phase. We're going to set you up. You're going to listen to Ms. Wild. You're going to do what she tells you to do. I'm going to adopt all the bond conditions that probation's recommending. And we won't make it a long one. We'll just set this out for a month. I might have to go to like whatever the second Wednesday is of the month or something, Heather. So give me that as a sentencing date in July. And, we can help you. You gotta want to have help, but we can help you. We had a great session this morning. I wish you could have been here and seen that. I really do. We're gonna set a sentencing date in a month. Give me a date if you would, Heather, please.
You are off on that second Wednesday, the 8th, so we could do the 15th.
Yeah,
Or
let's do the 15th at 8:30. Listen. Are you gonna try to work at Staybridge?
I go back Friday.
Okay. You're staying with your dad and brother, right?
Yes.
You can turn your life around here. You gotta stay away from this stuff. That's what we're doing, July 15th at 8:30, okay? All right, you're gonna go down the hall, get your notice, and you're meeting with Ms. Wilds. Give it a chance. Give it a chance, please. Hang on, is that side? Yeah, that goes with that one. And this one goes in Matisse. I don't know what I'm doing. That no fighters. Musso.
And that's how this hearing ends. Not with handcuffs or jail time, but with hope. The judge is giving her an opportunity, a support system, and a roadmap to change her life. The next chapter is entirely up to her. Do you think she'll turn things around? Let me know in the comments.